Hello dear friends, I invite you to crochet simple and beautiful trim border. It has only one row and can be perfect for beginners. Also you can use it like a bracelet. In the description of the video can be found a link on the flower that is made in same technique. It is very easy to make. So you don't need specific skills in crocheting. Please write comment below the video where you will use and what you will get with my video tutorials. Let's get started crocheting. For work I will use 1.4 crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. For the trim, you can make any amount of chains, multiples 3. I will make 18 and plus 1 chain for more beautiful look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. I remind you, I did 18 chains for my pattern plus 1 for more beautiful look, and my pattern repeats 6 times. My foundation chain is ready. Make a row of double crochet, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn, and yarn over. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet. And double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. You can make any kind of pattern or just a row of single crochet, treble crochet and so on. It will be the base for my trim. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. My row is ready. It was a row of double crochet. In your case, it can be any kind of pattern. Let's crochet the trim, make a chain. I will not use this chain stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make single crochet. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the foundation for the petal. Then chain of 2 more, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch away from the hook, make double crochet, not finish. Then I'm working around the chain. Then I'm going to work 14 double crochet, not finish, over the chain. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the chain, make a chain and pull through 2 loops. First one is ready and I need to crochet 13 more. In total it should be 14. And by the end of this row you will have done 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have done 14 stitches, but in total in the row I have got 15. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Everything correct. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Then make a chain and pull a little bit. Then I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third stitch, make single crochet. My first trim is ready. It consists of only 15 stitches. So I continue working on my row. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then chain of 2 more to bring up the yarn. And insert the hook into the third chain stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over the hook and insert the hook around the chain, pull up a loop, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. 1. I remind you, it should be 14 stitches in total in row. It must be 15 stitches by the pattern. So my trim is almost ready. I have done all 6 my trims. After I have done the last one, I skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the chain stitch that is on the beginning of the previous row and make single crochet. Then make a chain to secure the yarn. And my trim is ready. They are 6 trims in the row. So my small project is ready. Each trim consists of 15 stitches. And for example, I have done exact trim but using another color of yarn. Here how it looks. In this case, I did over the 10 trims in the row. I remind you, you can use it like a bracelet or belt, or it can be garland for your house. Here how it looks, like a bracelet. And also I would like to say that I have got flowers in the same technique. The links on the flowers can be found in the description below of this video. And I remind you, it is very easy to make, so you don't need specific skills in crocheting. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me. Write comment below the video what you will get and where you will use it. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video. Bye!